Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how Active Track works on your DJI Osmo Mobile SE. To enable it, we're going to press the trigger just once, and then to disable it, we're going to press the trigger just once. So when you press it once, you're going to get a green box on the screen, and it's going to go around the item that you're tracking. Then when you move that item around, it will track the item, and then when you press the trigger again, the green box will disappear and Active Track will be gone. So I'm just going to show you that working now. So we want to Active Track this box here. So we're going to press it once and you will see that a green box will appear. And now if I move the box, can you see that it is being tracked? And then to cancel it, you press the trigger again. The green box will disappear and now you can see it's no longer being tracked. So that's it. That's how Active Track works on your Osmo Mobile SE. Thanks for watching.